Hey everyone, if you're considering renovating your kitchen, you're in the right place. In this video, we're answering the most frequently asked questions about kitchen renovations. You wouldn't believe how many people have these questions. Let's dive right in. Question 1. What's the first step in planning a kitchen renovation? The first step is always setting a budget. Know how much you're willing to spend before you start. Next, think about what you need and want in your new kitchen. List out these needs and desires. Consider using an affordable kitchen renovation contractor in Waltham. They can provide you with a clear path on what to do next. Question 2. How do I choose a reliable kitchen renovation contractor? Start by asking for recommendations from friends and family. Check out online reviews and ratings. Look for contractors who offer free quotes. For example, Waltham kitchen renovation contractors often give free quotes to get you started. Meet a few contractors face-to-face before making your decision. Ask for their portfolios and previous work. Question 3. How long does a kitchen renovation usually take? A kitchen renovation can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months. This depends on the size of your project. If you're going for an affordable kitchen remodel in Waltham, the timeline might be quicker. Custom kitchen renovation services in Waltham might take a bit longer. Talk to your contractor for a specific timeline. Question 4. How much does a kitchen renovation cost? Well, costs vary greatly depending on your choices and the size of your kitchen. You can get a rough idea by searching for a Waltham kitchen renovation cost estimate online. An affordable renovation might cost between $10,000 to $25,000. A high-end custom renovation might exceed $50,000. Getting multiple quotes can give you a better idea. Question 5. How can I save money on my kitchen renovation? Well, you could do some of the work yourself. For example, handling the demolition or painting could cut costs. Also, consider reusing or refinishing your existing cabinets. Don't forget to shop around for affordable yet high-quality materials. And consider hiring an affordable kitchen remodel expert in Waltham. They can guide you on where to save without compromising quality. Question 6. Will renovating my kitchen increase my home value? Yes, it usually does. A modern kitchen can attract potential buyers and significantly increase resale value. Professional kitchen renovation contractors in Waltham often have options tailored to improving home value. Just make sure the changes you make are timeless and appealing to a broad audience. Question 7. What are some design trends to consider? Open shelving is very popular as it makes your kitchen look bigger and more inviting. Consider installing a kitchen island. It adds both function and style. Neutral colors with pops of color are also trendy. And let's not forget, technology is making its way into the kitchen with smart appliances. Custom kitchen renovation services in Waltham can help you stay on trend. That wraps up our kitchen renovation FAQs. I hope we answered some of your burning questions. Happy renovating!